Which do you hate more, raking leaves or bagging them up? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about an easy way to reduce some of the hassle of leaf collection right after this. Don't let old man winter sneak into your house this season. Seal the gaps with weatherization products from Duck Brand. With our Keep the Cold Out giveaway, now through November 11th, you could win winter weatherization products valued at more than $70. Window insulation kits, door sweeps, expanding foam, and more. Everything you need to keep your house warm and energy efficient in the cold weather. Visit Today's Homeowner on Facebook and look for the pinned post to enter. Brought to you by Today's Homeowner and Duck Brand. I don't know anyone who loves raking leaves, but it's a necessary evil during this time of the year. But I have to confess that I like collecting the leaves even less than raking them. My biggest gripe is this: when I use a garbage can to hold the bag so I can dump the leaves into it, a vacuum develops inside the can as the bag fills up and slowly pushes out the air between the bag and the garbage can. That suction makes it nearly impossible to remove a full bag of leaves without completely destroying it. So I decided to sacrifice a garbage can for the cause. What I did is I drilled a dozen or so holes in the sides and the bottom of the plastic trash can. Now there's no vacuum and no hassle, and leaf raking is getting a little more fun. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.